Hi, today I'm making lasagna. Now, we all make lasagna different ways. I'm going to show you my way. So, I'm beginning with a box of Barilla lasagna noodles. I happen to like these types of noodles as well as Prego sauce. I use Italian style cheese instead of ricotta, as well as cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to begin with a pound and a half of ground chuck, a quarter cup of red onion, as well as white onion, celery, and basil, as well as probably 2 tablespoons of green bell pepper. I would have normally added more pepper, but I just kind of used what I had. I'm also adding oregano because I had some fresh oregano as well as garlic. And the main thing is that I'm going to prepare my ground beef with all of my vegetables and cook them together. I'm seasoning them with onion powder as well as Italian seasoning. I'm using pepper and some salt to taste. Okay, so you want to just use whatever you like. I do add additional garlic powder to the recipe. Again, you want your water to be with olive oil and salt in the water when you're cooking your noodles. I like this brand of Prego, the chunky garden variety that works for me. You can use whatever variety works for you. While those noodles are cooking and you're preparing your sauce, you want to make sure that you've drained your ground beef very well. And then I add the sauce as well as the fresh oregano and basil so that I can cook and have some time to just sort of simmer in the sauce, right? Again, I have all types of ways that I make lasagna and spaghetti, but this is just one of them. Once the noodles are ready and you've drained them, you're going to layer your pan or your, in this case, Pyrex dish with noodles and then a filling of ground beef and tomato sauce. You can add your cheese and you're going to just repeat that. Okay, so I've mixed my 2 cheeses here and I just continue to layer until I have the pan full. I sometimes change this up if I want a vegetable variety. You do the same thing, except you include eggplant or zucchini. But in this case, it's a meat lasagna. So I'm going to just, again, continue layering until all of my sauce and my noodles are ready to go. I put it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes until the cheese is melted. I let it rest for 5 and it's ready to serve.